Today we are going to go from Silvermine Gate 2, which is the east side, and walk through to Kalk Bay. So right now I'm in Kalk Bay waiting for my lift, and there are going to be two of us. It was a last minute quick hike. So we're going to go through to Top of Oakopseweg and make our way from there. Also, the weather is going to be a bit of a challenge. Time now is almost 9:30. And yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. We're hoping that the rain's going to hold off. We are definitely going to be in cloud. It's going to be cold, but we're hoping that it will be just good enough that we can get off the mountain and not get caught by the cold front that's on its way in. Right, we are now going to head down to Silvermine Waterfall, which is flowing, but not as much as I was hoping. So we'll see how it goes. Waterfall is through there. Now that my heart is beating at a normal rate again, we can go. Because we just came up that with those legs. Trying to keep up with it is close to impossible. But did it. Let's carry on. We've now come from that end. We are at this intersection. We are going to be going to Cave Peak, Silvermine Valley. Actually, we're going to be going up to Echo Valley. We're not going up that way, we are going down that way, around that mountain, around the corner, and up, and eventually up at the top there. And so far the weather's holding, which is great. Awesome day. So we now started heading up the valley. We head up that way. But we've just come across something that is kind of out of place. Let's see if I can show you. There we go. The pincushion flowering in June. All his mates are not flowering at all. So, a bit premature, but nice sight anyway. Weather's starting to close in, and you can tell by the heavy breathing we've been going uphill for quite some time. It's very peaceful here. We've literally gone past maybe 4 or 5 people. 4 or 5 people. checked over, and we know that's what's ahead of us. There's False Bay, Simon's Town in the background, and Fishhook coming into view. And Glenkin is just on the other side of that mountain, which is, trying to get my finger in the picture, there on the other side of that mountain is Glenkin. So we've been now, what, an hour and a half, we haven't seen another human being. Got the whole mountain to ourselves. And the weather is perfect. We're just shy of Boomslang Cave, which is now just around the corner. Got some yellow woods that we're going past. Right, so if you've been to Boomslang, which goes right through the mountain, you go through there and drop down into it. And then in summertime you can go right through the mountain to the other side. We ain't doing that today because I don't have my swimming gear on. We've just come from that little gap there, which was quite a challenge. Forgot about that. Down here, now we're heading, that's Clear Valley Golf Course. We're heading down to that neck down there, and then we're going around the corner down there, which is Kalk Bay. So last thoughts from Lee. What do you reckon, Lee?
Awesome hike, gets really technical at the end. Don't lose your shit.
Yeah, don't. Right, catch you later.